SSH, or Secure Shell, provides a secure way to remotely access and manage your UniFi Dream Router. It's essential for advanced tasks like manual firmware updates and troubleshooting. SSH is a network protocol that creates an encrypted connection between your computer and the UniFi Dream Router, allowing you to execute commands and manage the device remotely through a command line interface. By default, SSH is disabled on UniFi consoles like the Dream Router for security reasons. You'll need to manually enable it through the UniFi controller interface. To enable SSH, open your UniFi controller interface and navigate to Settings, then Control Plane, then Console. Here you'll find the SSH option that you need to check to enable SSH access. To connect via SSH, ensure you're on the same local network as your UniFi device. You'll use a command line interface with the format SSH username at IP address. For UniFi consoles like the Dream Router, the username is typically root, so your command would look like SSH root at your router's IP address, such as 192.168.1.1 or 10.0.0.1. The default credentials before device setup are typically root with password UBNT or root with password UI. After initial setup, you'll use your configured admin credentials to authenticate the SSH connection. Remember to disable SSH access when you're not actively using it to minimize potential security risks to your network infrastructure. SSH provides powerful capabilities for managing your UniFi Dream Router beyond basic configuration. One of the most common uses is manually updating firmware, especially for beta versions that aren't available through the web interface. The UBNT upgrade command allows you to specify a direct URL to the firmware file. This is particularly useful for installing beta firmware or specific versions recommended by Ubiquiti support. Beyond firmware updates, SSH is invaluable for troubleshooting network issues. You can examine system logs, check network statistics, and run diagnostic commands that aren't available through the web interface. Common troubleshooting commands include checking system logs, monitoring network interfaces, and examining configuration files. However, remember that the web UI is preferred for persistent configuration changes. While SSH is powerful, it comes with important security considerations. Ubiquiti strongly recommends caution when using SSH, as improper changes can degrade network performance or break your deployment entirely. SSH uses port 22 by default, but for enhanced security, advanced users can change this to an obscure port like 6222 if exposing SSH to the internet. However, the safest practice is to disable SSH when not actively in use. Important warnings to remember: only use SSH when instructed by Ubiquiti support engineers. Changes made via SSH may be overwritten by UniFi services or firmware updates. Always use the built-in debug console in UniFi Network when possible, and disable SSH immediately after use. Remember that SSH is a powerful tool that should be used responsibly. When in doubt, consult Ubiquiti documentation or support before making changes to your UniFi Dream Router via SSH.